Wonderful. Let's back to business. Let's have fun. Hi, this is Ricky Salinas with Freedom Plumbers and Pumpers, Septic and Drain. It's about 7:30 in the morning. You're a little early. We have a training today for pumps and panels and all sorts of specialty products. So, hey, how about you join us? Everything is good to go. Video's up. We already tested everything, and the team's showing up. Oh, fantastic! If you get lost, because a lot of people do, just let me know. Yes, coming down on Sudley, make a left on Ballsport, and your first corner is going to be Copper Mine. You make a right. Yep. All right, we'll see you soon. Thank you. All right, bye. Perfect. All right, he's right around the corner.
How you doing, Ron?
Let me help you out here, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Gotcha. Oh man, you got hats. We install a lot of very specialized products, and today we were able to bring in Zoeller pumps along with American manufacturing panels and products. And the whole idea of today is to train the team on how to properly, per manufacturer standards, install, repair, replace, and of course, the most important of them all, diagnose their products before they do any kind of recommendations or upgrades if needed.
During the beginning of the growth, the two arms of the company, manufacturing and sales, were managed by Pop's sons. In the 60s and 70s, the sales arm began to stretch its way across the country.
Fantastic. I think that's where they get hesitant, and that now they know how to size it, but how do they install it? Right? I mean, it's not difficult at all. They're just getting over that bridge. Yeah. Right? Putting their hands on it, getting dirty. So either way, and of course, understanding how to set up the float switches, you know, and the distances between the ground and the stop and all that. So, yeah, I'm with you on that. All right, so I'm going to cut you guys loose early so you two can start getting ready and start heading out. So with that being said, you guys learning something today? You feeling okay? Yeah. Perfect. From here on, you're going to be installing a filter and you're going to be installing a riser as well. This right here, this is Doug right over there. Yep, he's been with us for almost a year. He's one of our helpers and installers. And right here, our operator, Josue Velasquez, excavator operator, one of the top of the market. Yep. You wanna share why is it you love so much your trade?
I like the person first. I feel like I'm in the family business. You know?
I love that. What about you, Dougie?
I like seeing, a homeowner not stressed out, but they're, they have something wrong with their house, and then us being able to fix it, their system or whatever it is. When we fix it, seeing the relief, seeing the gratitude, and that we did it, whether it be 2 men, 3 men, 4, that we did that job. It's a good feeling.
Great answer. I love it. All right, real quick. So your riser, you know what you need. Let's jump over there real quick. It's very easy. This is your filter. When you pull it out of the box, that's what it's going to look like.
Okay. Like right now.
You're going to have that, right? This is how she's going to come in. You're going to go ahead and cut your PVC. It's going to be a PVC baffle. Don't cut too much, just enough to be able to put this on there. So cut it right behind the T. Okay, just right behind the T, remove your baffle. You're gonna go ahead and put your glue, and then you put it on. Make sure your level's on there because it has to be perfectly leveled. All right, let's rock and roll. 10-1 when you're ready. Thank you. Thank you. Have fun.
Appreciate it.
We can't stop the work. We gotta keep on moving.
Good.
All right, good deal. Perfect. All right, so let's play a game then. How about you ask them a question and see if they learned anything?
All right, sounds good. Okay.
4. 2 + 2 is 4.
Right. All right, so back to the weep hole slide. Does anybody remember what size the weep holes are?
3/4 inch or 3/8, 3/16 or so. I wrote it down.
3/16. All right. Well,
Fantastic. So sizing is important. Any questions on diagnostics that you may or may not have? Your cards would be great. Can they call you directly?
Yeah,
if there's
absolutely.
questions?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
my cell phone number's on here.
Absolutely. We're almost done. He's going to be ready.
You want to just give him a break before we start?
Is that okay?
We can set some stuff up?
Yes. I'll give him a 5-minute break and we'll be back in. Thank you. You want to take another 10 minutes and we'll be ready for you in a second. So this is our CSR office and we have Natalie here. She's been with us well over a year, one of the best when it comes to answering for customer service. Anything you want to say?
It's been a pleasure working here at Freedom Plumbers. I've been in the plumbing business before, but definitely this is an awesome experience working with Ricky. He's an awesome boss, by the way.
So why do you love what you do?
Because I love helping people. I love talking to customers and trying to get them solutions for their issues. And I'm great at talking to people. So
That you are.
yes,
That you are.
they enjoy my voice.
It's 100% correct. I get that feedback all the time. And then from there we moved into the control panels of American Manufacturing. And American Manufacturing makes all sorts of control panels for all sorts of different type of applications. But for our applications, we were looking for septic on-demand systems. That's where they showed us what are we looking at inside of a panel, how to test the panel, how to test the components, which would then lead us to understand what needs to be repaired or replaced or upgraded as well.
All right.
All right, here we go.
With a show of hands,
Show of hands.
what does a blown pilot fuse mean?
That was the main.
All right.
fuse
Well,
there.
they kind of went together, but I think I got him
fuse
first.
blew.
Wow, thank
Well,
you.
that's very insightful.
I got you.
I don't know if I'm going to take that as an answer though. I
Very
like
nice.
that one. That's a way better question. What's the most likely culprit for a blown pilot fuse? And his hand is way up.
Broken wire.
Yeah. On.
Shorted float.
I gotta give it to him.
Both with the front row.
Thank you very much. This was a very informative. I think we still have to get in there and get dirty. Anything else, gentlemen? Wonderful. Let's get back to business and let's have fun. Thank you. I really appreciate your time today. Very, very much enjoyable. I believe the team gained a lot of knowledge, a lot of confidence out of today, and they're definitely going to be applying that newly acquired knowledge happily to the field and to the customers. All right, well, thank you very much for stopping by. From my family to yours, we thank you very much. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.